my name is Ayushman Pant. This is my 5th episode, and today is the day you are all waiting for to make a paper airplane. And this is a different type of airplane. It's not the simplest airplane. It is simple. It's very simple. You need a piece of paper like this. No square paper. Rectangle paper is good. Now, first, you do like the regular airplane. Like this. Make sure it's very strong. And do this with like your nails. Now open it up. Now you do this edge to this edge. And you then do the other side that's like 2. And now we're not gonna do it like this. We're gonna do it like this. And then turn it over. And do this. And now you open it up again and do the same thing again. And now turn it in the back and do this like this. And now do it like the last step in the regular airplane. Do this and this. And now flip it over and do this. And here's your paper airplane. Let's test it how it flies. And ready, set, go. And it will fly like this because of these parts. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And thank you for the subscribers that subscribed last time. And thank you for the bell icon people that bell icon. Press the bell icon. Thank you very much. And please watch this episode. It's very fun. And see you in my 6th episode. Bye bye.